My name is Frida Garcia, and I am passionate about living in a society in which immigrants can receive equal rights and fair pay. My goal is aligned with number 10, reduced inequalities, provide employment for all people who reside in the U.S., and goal number 8, decent work and economic growth. According to Pew Research Center, over 22 million immigrants positively contribute to the workforce, over 1.6 trillion a year to the U.S. economy. They are instead dehumanized and taken advantage of by those with higher power. I have been a witness to how this country treats its immigrants. Both my parents migrated from Mexico to the US to pursue better lives. People who reside in the country without a green card and legal papers are forced to work long hours of labor with very little pay, regardless of their qualifications, and can be perceived as less worthy than US citizens. With my proposal, the Equal Pay Act would allow everyone to maintain their rights when it comes to equal pay. Immigrants who work their hours should be paid the same amount as a person with a social security number or diploma. With the Equal Pay Act, 1. Companies will not be able to ask about legal status so that inequality isn't taking place. A person's legal status should not reflect badly on their work performance. 2. Immigrants must be paid the state's legal minimum wage. If immigrants were granted equal pay, there would be reduced exploitation between workers and employers. 3. Immigrants contribute to the growth in the labor force and boost tax revenue and economic growth. 4. With the protection of the Equal Pay Act, immigrants will also be able to gain funding from local organizations who provide support with food, healthcare, and housing. This act ensures equity, compassion, and progress for the future of the United States.